In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two document versions using Adobe Acrobat Online. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Once the page loads, give it a moment to fully display the available tools and options. Adobe Acrobat Online includes a range of document features, so taking a second to let everything appear can make the process smoother. From the main interface, locate the Compare Files feature tool icon and click on it. This tool is specifically designed to help you identify changes between two versions of a document, which is especially useful when you need to review edits, confirm revisions, or check what has been updated between drafts. After opening the Compare Files tool, you'll see two upload areas side by side. In the left panel slot, upload the older version of your document. This is important because it establishes the original file that Adobe will use as the baseline for comparison. Make sure you choose the correct earlier version so the results are accurate and easy to understand. Next, move to the right panel slot and upload the newer revision of the document. This should be the updated version containing the changes you want to review. Placing the new file on the right helps Acrobat compare the two in the intended order, showing what has been added, removed, or modified from the original version to the revised one. Once both files are in place, look for the primary blue Compare button and click it to begin the comparison. Adobe Acrobat will process both documents and generate a visual report. Depending on the size of the files, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the analysis to complete. When the comparison finishes, review the highlighted differences report layout. This report is where Acrobat clearly marks the changes between the two versions. You may see edits such as inserted text, deleted text, formatting adjustments, or other document changes presented in an organized view. Take your time going through the results so you can understand exactly what was revised. As you review, it can help to focus on the highlighted sections first, since those areas draw attention to the most important differences. This makes it easier to verify updates without manually reading both documents line by line.